How's it going, boys and girls? It's Burgas here, and in this video I'll talk about the deadliest gear for Temporal Vortex. So directly we're jumping at the gears and we're presented with Curse of Venom, not Curse, Grave of Venom, Grave of Curse and Grave of Rot. And I definitely hate Grave of Rot. I really hate this frog. But anyway, from the Grave of Curse of Venom, oh my god, from the Grave of Venom, I want to go with this one. Critical and attack percentage. Simple. More damage, big criticals, more critical damage. This is the solution here. If you want to make basically the damaging gear, you definitely want to have big attack and critical rate. And of course the critical damage. Now here we don't know what kind of status you're going to get after the gear, but definitely try to get extra attack or critical damage. I think this is going to be very important. If your hero has some kind of debuffs, definitely try to get some accuracy, but we're going to go there. From this Grave of Venom, go for attack percentage and critical rate. Very important. Now jumping on the Grave of Curse, here only healer gear. If you want to use healers, of course. Here are 2 pieces and alignment 20 and HP 15%. Now for the healers, you want to have some kind of survivability to be not one-shotted and send it home. So definitely if you want to use a healer, this is a good combination. Alignment and percentage attack. Percentage HP. And jumping on the Grave of Rot, now here you're looking for accuracy and skill haste. Why you want to go as a second gear? For example, the first one, definitely attack percentage and critical rate. For the second one, go for accuracy and skill haste only on heroes that is having some kind of debuffs that is going to help you lower the damage on the boss, or maybe defense down, something like this. For example, Sigrid have attack penalty 50%, reducing the damage for 10 seconds. Definitely put as a second gear for Sigrid this accuracy. Definitely for all the debuffers, put some accuracy, and you're going to get some skill haste, of course. And this is the build for the deadliest gear for the Vortex, Temporal Vortex. With this gear, you're going to destroy this bad boy. Now, I will not go over the rest of the things. For example, this positive rune and stuff like this is just one. I mean, it's just one. And this one is just one. Just try to get from this rune what you miss from your deadliest gear and apply this rune. And of course for the artifacts, but this is a separate video. So far, for your hero, you definitely want to go attack, critical, some accuracy for the buffers, and some survivability if you want to use a healer. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.